How to customize your character in Sora 2. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily do it. First of all, open the application. So now I'm in my home page. So here, if you slowly scroll down, you'll be able to find different characters that are available. So here, there are different backgrounds and prompts that are already generated. So it's up to you if you like them, or you can even create your own one. So here, simply select the filter that you like. So here I'm tapping on one. Now you can use the same characteristics in order to create a new AI video. So here there are different options on the bottom. So simply select on them, add your own prompt, and you'll be able to customize your character too. Thank you for watching this video. I hope this video will help you.